Dear children, now we can learn the new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Most Beautiful Thing. Do you like beautiful things? Have you ever watched the beauty of the things around you? Our next story tells us about a queen who wished to get the most beautiful thing in the world. What is the most beautiful thing in the world? Any idea? Let's go through the story and find out the answer. Okay? The story is written by Ella Kennan. She is a very famous short story writer. This is the second place winning story of a very important short story competition held on 2011. The main character in the story is a queen who ruled the country. Once, a queen ruled a country. She was living in a big palace. In the palace court, many artists were there. They used to perform many items for her in the court. But she felt bored with all these things. She didn't feel any interest. The court advisor arranged some different performances to entertain the queen. But she was not at all happy with all these things. Again, she felt disappointed. So she made an announcement. What was the announcement? She is going to hold a contest for the most beautiful thing in the world. The people of the country can bring many different things from which she is going to select the most beautiful one. And the prize offered for the winner was the crown of the queen, which was the most precious thing in that country. The contest started and many people brought different things, but she couldn't find the most beautiful thing among them. Then a bearded man appeared there and told the queen that she should go outside to find out the most beautiful thing. The most beautiful thing will not come to her. So she decided to go for a trip. Now let's see the word meanings given in this part. Bored, not interested. Your Majesty, it is a polite way of addressing a king or queen. Nod means move head to show agreement. Advisor is a person who guides someone. Acrobat is one who performs acrobatics. Acrobatics is a kind of gymnastic and balancing dance. Portrait is a picture of a person. Then contest means competition. Gasped means to quick short breath. Breath, breath is the air that we send outside or take inside. It is a noun. While breathe, breathe is the action of breathing, the action of taking air inside. Breathe, we can pronounce it as breathe. Breath is breath. Okay? Studded means decorated. Magnificent means excellent. Treasure means valuable thing. Muttered means whispered, talking in very low voice. Beard means the growth of hair on the chin and cheek on a man's face. Astonished means surprised. Now let's go through the textbook. I'm bored, announced the queen. Some music, Your Majesty, asked her advisor. Your Majesty is the polite way of addressing a king or queen. That is why the advisor called the queen Your Majesty. The queen gave a slight nod. She agreed. She nodded her head to show agreement. But when the court musicians started playing the same old song, she sent them away. She agreed to play the music, and the court musicians came there and they started playing music. But it was same old song. She felt again bored and she sent them away. The poor advisor tried everything to please the queen. What is the duty of an advisor in the court? To guide or help the queen or king in difficult situations. So here the advisor tried to please the queen, to make her happy. The court acrobats were called. Acrobats. Acrobats are the people who performs acrobatics. Acrobatics is a kind of gymnastic or balancing dance. So these people, acrobats, came there and they performed. After that, portraits were ordered. Portraits means pictures. Pictures and paintings. The painters came with their paintings, but she didn't feel any interest in all these things. I'm tired of all this, she said, pointing to the room. I need a different sort of beauty. I'm not at all interested in this kind of performances. I want something different, a different sort of beauty, a different kind of beauty I want. She announced, inform everyone that the queen is holding a contest for the most beautiful thing in the world. That was the queen's announcement after that. I'm going to hold a contest, a competition to find the most beautiful thing in the world. And the prize shall be this crown. And I will give the winner my crown as the prize. Everyone gasped. Gasped means taking short and quick breath inside to show surprise. Everyone surprised. The queen's crown was made of pure gold, studded with magnificent gems. The queen's crown, what was it made of? It was made of pure gold and it was studded. Studded means decorated. Decorated with magnificent. Magnificent means excellent. So what was the offer given by the queen to the winner? She will give her crown, which is the most valuable thing in the country. Hearing this, what happened? So many people rushed towards the palace. Now, next page. The announcement was made. Soon, a long line of people formed. So, after hearing the announcement, a long line of people formed. All the people rushed towards the palace. They showed their poetry, their paintings, and even their animals. After several days, the queen was disappointed. So, what all things the people brought to the palace? They brought poetries, paintings, and even their animals. They brought even their pet animals. This is hopeless, she muttered. Muttered means whispered, talking in very low voice, in a complaining sound. This is hopeless. What is hopeless? The contest. Whatever things the people brought, she was not at all satisfied. So she felt it hopeless. Not quite hopeless, Your Majesty, somebody told. Not quite hopeless. There is chance for hope. The queen sat up, wondering who had spoken. She turned back to see who had spoken. A bearded man stood behind the palace guards. A bearded man. Who is a bearded man? A man with a beard. Beard is the growth of hair on the cheek or chin of a man. The bearded man stood behind the palace guards. Stood is the past tense of stand. He was standing behind the palace guards. You can end your search now, Your Highness. Here you can end the search for beautiful thing. The queen raised an eyebrow. Raised an eyebrow means she looked doubtfully. Have you brought me the most beautiful thing? She asked the man. You told that you can end your search. So you brought the most beautiful thing for me? The princess asked. The man laughed. Not I, nor anyone here. I have waited here for 2 days to tell you that the most beautiful thing cannot be brought to you. You must go to it. I didn't bring anything for you, and nobody can bring you the most beautiful thing. If you want to get the most beautiful thing, you should go outside. You have to go outside and search for. So here we can stop today. In another video, we will continue with the next part. Bye.